Thukuru-ini wa iritu wa Moi gicigo-ini kia bunge gia Kibra thiini wa kaunti ya Nairobi nikuo andu a nyumba arata atongoria na aikari a Kibra moganire kuririkana muturire wa Ken Okoth. Mwaria thutha wongi makigathiriria Ken Okoth ni undu wa weruteri wake na guteithia aikari a Kibra.
I met him 21 years ago when we were in university. We've been on so many adventures, so many places together, but his heart was always here in Kibra. I want to thank the people of Kibra. You elected him twice.
We watched you battle with cancer bravely, inspiring us with each walking moment. Your concern for our welfare, even while in your sick bed.
I am hoping that all his good work is going to continue, and I am going to do my part as best as possible to help.
Ken did not know boundaries. Ken was a friend of everybody in Parliament. Sometimes even Ken was mistaken not to be loyal enough to his party because of his desire to cross borders. What in Parliament we say, he had friendships across the aisle.
Na tondu Okoth arakuire kumana na murimu wa kansa ya mara manene, thirikari ni uritio kunyitanira na muingi gutigirira kimiri giki gia kansa ni kiang'ethanirwo na kio kaimana.
Tuhakikisha tunakuja na solution mwafaka, tukuja na permanent solution ya kupigana na hii shetani inaitwa kansa ambaye ni hatari kushinda ukimwi.
Cancer is a treatable condition. Cancer is preventable. Let's go back.
Igongona rigithii na mbere, Ngabana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Mike Sonko atamania ndeto king'ang'a-ini iguru ria mutumia na mwana aria maratuika ni mutigairi Okoth.
Ken mali analala hana raha, mtoto wake anateseka kabla azikwe. Kwa hivyo mimi naomba recognition kwa niaba ya mtoto ya Ken Okoth.
Mimi najua tunaelewana na mimi na hakika ya kwamba tutaweza kupeleka Ken alale vizuri vile yeye mwenyewe alikuwa anataka.
Kumana na ndeto ino ni kuhanditwo ciira igoti-ini wa kurugamia mibango ya gucina mwiri wa Okoth, ciira uria wandikithitio ni MCA wa guthukio bunge-ini ya Nairobi oikaine ta Anita Thumbi.
Yani mnataka sisi tusije tukamzika ndugu yetu Ken Okoth kwa mambo ambayo yamepelekwa mahakamani. Mimi nasema nakataa, this is improper, it can be negotiated. Ndugu yangu Raila, sort it out.
Ona gutuika mheshimiwa Ken Okoth ni agathiririo na gikiro kinene ni wirutiri wake na wendo kuri muingi wa gicigo gia Kibra kiria ararugamirire na meharirie mathiko make ni marikirire kuri thiini wa kaunti ya Homa Bay. Itua ria muthia ria kana mathiko macio ni magatabanio kana ca riri moko-ini ma igoti. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma gicigo kia bunge gia Kibra thiini wa kaunti ya Nairobi. Njitagwo Muriuki wa Mucoki.